Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a bank connection error in QuickBooks. Bank connection errors in QuickBooks often occur due to expired login credentials, change in bank securities, or temporary server issues. So let's get into it. The first step is to identify the error code. Go to Banking or Transactions tab and then look for the error message and note the error code, for instance 102, 103, or 105. Step 2 is to refresh the connection. Click the Update button in the Banking tab. This forces QuickBooks to refresh the latest transaction from your bank. Step 3 is to re-enter bank credentials. You want to select the affected bank accounts and then click Edit Sign-in Information and then enter updated login details. Step 4 is to check bank's website. You want to log into your bank's website directly and verify that there are no alert, security updates, or required action. Step 5 is to clear browser cache for QuickBooks Online. You want to clear cookies and cached files and then sign in again and retry the connection. Step 6 is to wait and retry. Now, some errors are due to temporal downtime, so for these, just wait a few hours before retrying. A pro tip, if error persists, you want to contact QuickBooks support with the exact error code for much tailored help. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.